Hey guys, this video is going to talk to you all about your law school application diversity statement. What is it? Do you need to write one? And how does it differ from your personal statement? Watch this video to find out. So today's video is going to talk to you all about the law school application diversity statement. So the first question you might be asking yourself is, what even is a diversity statement? And how does it really differ from your personal statement? Your personal statement is your chance to show the admissions officers why you want to go to law school, what it is that you're passionate about, and how you'd make a great addition to their campus. The diversity statement is a little different. The diversity statement is a chance for you to show them why you're different or unique. Now, sometimes when you hear the words diversity statement, you might be thinking I'm only talking about socioeconomic status, race, gender. Of course, there's religion and culture. But your diversity statement can be more than just that. It can also be any unique experiences you've had with work, with your personal life, with your extracurricular activities that really, set you apart or have contributed to a diverse way of thinking. So that's another way that we can talk about diversity. It's diversity of thoughts. So what kinds of things might you talk about in your diversity statement? Well, you might talk about perhaps a learning difference that you have. You might talk about, maybe how your upbringing has really shaped your view of the law and your perspectives of the law. You might talk about, yes, socioeconomics, race and gender, but in a nuanced way, in a way that's personal to you. Your diversity statement should be so unique to you that no one else can write it. Now, I know I just mentioned about learning differences. There is a difference between what goes in your diversity statement and what might go in your addendum. If there's something that you think isn't really integral to your personality or integral to how you see the world, but it's just something that might have affected your GPA or your LSAT or maybe your undergraduate career, that's something to put in an addendum. And I'll talk about that in another video. But if there's something that you think really shows the admissions officers or committee who you are as a person and another side of you that they might not have gotten from your personal statement, that's really the thing to put in your diversity statement. And this is important. You don't want to just say the same things that you said over in your personal statement. This isn't really the place for your second chance at talking about why law school. It's not a place where you can add on, to that 2-page limit of your personal statement. But it's really to show a different side of you. Now, you really may be thinking, well, I don't really have anything that's diverse and I don't really see the need to write this essay. But here's the thing. Most law schools aren't interviewing anymore. So really, the personal statement and these optional essays are the place for you to bring out your personality. It's the place for them to get to know you beyond just your numbers, beyond your LSAT and your GPA and your undergraduate school rankings. It's really the place for them to get to know who you are. They're interested in bringing in students that have this diversity of experiences that's going to contribute to the classroom, that's going to make for great discussions, great research, and great mentors to other students. That's what they're looking for in the law school class. And the diversity statement is a fantastic opportunity to show that part of you. I think personally, it's not good to leave things on the table. You want to be writing these optional essays, and you do want to check with the schools to make sure that they accept a diversity statement. Most schools do, but not all of them. And some schools allow you to write one optional essay, perhaps a diversity statement or a YS essay. But if you have the opportunity to write a diversity statement, I highly suggest doing so. It should be shorter than your personal statement, about 1 page in length, double-spaced, 11 to 12 point font, so about half the size of your personal statement. And like I said, really focus on those experiences that have shaped your way of thinking. Even a diversity statement about race or gender or socioeconomics will fall flat if it doesn't connect to how it's made you see the world in a different light, maybe different than any other applicant. So that's my take on diversity statements. Now, if after watching this video you're still like, I just don't know what to write and I don't even know where to start, feel free to reach out to me at info@smontgomeryconsulting.com. I'd love to talk through some brainstorming tips with you and talk to you about how we can make your diversity statement really shine. And of course, feel free to sign up for my newsletter and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks on law school admissions.